Hi, my name is Michaela and today I'm going to talk to you about the physics involved in snowboarding. Do you know what's physical about snowboarding? The first and main worth understanding concept is gravity. While riding, a constant force of 9.81 newtons is pushing down every inch of your body. Not only does this force pull you down the hill, but it keeps your board on trail as well. If gravity wasn't present while performing an aerial stunt, you would never descend. The next major physics concept in snowboarding is friction, a force that causes negative acceleration and acts in the opposite direction to speed. This allows you to carve. Carving is a type of turning in which the board is shifted from one edge to the other, leaving a pencil-thin line in the snow. A purely carved turn is done when the snowboard is tilted at an angle to the snow, and, as a result of this minimum level of friction between the two surfaces, the speed loss is minimized. As you can see in the picture, while a centrifugal force seems to pull the snowboarder towards the outside, he leans towards the center of the carve to balance it. Snowboards are made of special composite materials which vary according to the use one makes of them. The two most popular boards are the racing board and the freestyle board. The racing board, due to its sleek, skinny, lightweight design, rides much faster, having less surface in contact with the snow, therefore a smaller friction against it. But tricks are easier to perform with less speed. For this type of riding, the so-called freestyle board, which are wider, heavier and more flexible, are the best choice. Another important concept involved in snowboarding is speed. This is calculated by measuring the distance the snowboarder has travelled divided by the time it takes him to ride that distance. Speed is obtained by converting gravitational potential energy, which depends on height and is at its maximum at the top of the mountain, into kinetic energy of motion, which is gained during the acceleration of the ride. This is stated in the law of conservation of energy, which is very important when dealing with jumps. A snowboarder starting the ride down the halfpipe has potential energy, which is then converted into kinetic energy when he moves down the side of the pipe. The faster he goes, the higher he'll go. When he jumps, kinetic energy is converted back into potential energy. Gravity slows him down in the air, so kinetic energy decreases, but at the height of a jump, the snowboarder is at his maximum potential energy. In conclusion, one of the most popular winter sports relies entirely on physical knowledge. From the time you step on the board to the time you hit the base of the mountain, each of your movements and actions can be explained by a few formulae. Well, did you know that?